Water. It's everywhere we look on Earth, covering over 70% of our planet's surface. From vast oceans to tiny dewdrops, it's the lifeblood of our planet, sustaining all forms of life. We drink it, bathe in it, and rely on it for countless everyday activities from cooking to cleaning. But water is much more than just a convenience. It's the very essence of life itself, a precious resource we often take for granted. Every living organism, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, needs water to survive. It's the common thread that connects all life. It's a fundamental ingredient in the complex chemistry of cells, enabling vital processes like photosynthesis and respiration, which are essential for growth and energy. Without water, life as we know it would simply cease to exist. Deserts and barren landscapes are stark reminders of this truth. Think about the lush rainforests, the arid deserts, or the icy polar regions. Each of these diverse ecosystems is intricately linked to water. Each ecosystem, with its unique characteristics, is shaped by the availability and movement of water, creating a delicate balance. It's the invisible conductor orchestrating the symphony of life on Earth, ensuring that every note is in harmony. Imagine waking up one morning and turning on the tap, only to be met with silence. No water flows. This scenario, though fictional, highlights the immediate and dire consequences of a world without water. For humans, the absence of water would be catastrophic. Our bodies, composed of roughly 60% water, would rapidly dehydrate. Within days, vital organs would begin to shut down, leading to widespread suffering and ultimately death. Animals, too, would face a similar fate. Without water to drink, many would perish from dehydration within days. Aquatic species would be left stranded as their watery homes vanish. The natural world as we know it would descend into chaos. Plants, the primary producers of our planet, are equally dependent on water. They need it for photosynthesis, the process of converting sunlight into energy. Without water, plants would wilt and die, turning once vibrant landscapes into barren wastelands. The consequences for the food chain would be devastating. Herbivores, deprived of their plant-based food sources, would starve. Carnivores, in turn, would lose their prey, leading to a domino effect of extinction across the animal kingdom. Agriculture, the backbone of human civilization, would collapse without water for irrigation. Our ability to grow food would vanish, leading to widespread famine and social unrest. The very fabric of our society would unravel. Section 4. A climate in crisis: water and our atmosphere. Water plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. The oceans, covering over 70% of the planet's surface, act as massive heat sinks, absorbing and distributing solar radiation. This moderates temperatures, preventing extreme fluctuations between day and night. Furthermore, water vapor in the atmosphere acts as a greenhouse gas, trapping heat and keeping our planet habitable. Without it, Earth would be a frigid, lifeless rock. The delicate balance of our climate system would be thrown into disarray. Weather patterns, too, are driven by the water cycle. Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation create the rain, snow, and storms that shape our environment. Without water, these patterns would cease, leading to unpredictable and potentially catastrophic weather events. Section 5. Silent ecosystems: the ripple effect. The disappearance of water would have a profound impact on Earth's intricate web of life. Ecosystems, delicately balanced communities of organisms interacting with their environment, would collapse. Wetlands, crucial for filtering pollutants and providing habitats for countless species, would dry up. Rivers, once teeming with life, would become dusty scars on the landscape. The loss of biodiversity would be immeasurable. The interconnectedness of life on Earth means that the disappearance of one species can have far-reaching consequences for others. The loss of pollinators like bees, for instance, would threaten the survival of countless plant species, further disrupting the food chain. Section 6. Beyond survival, water and civilization. Water is not just essential for our physical survival. It is the lifeblood of our planet, sustaining ecosystems and biodiversity. It's also deeply intertwined with human civilization, shaping our history, culture, and way of life. The earliest human settlements were established near water sources, which provided not only drinking water but also means for agriculture and transportation. From ancient civilizations built along rivers like the Nile, Tigris, Euphrates, and the Indus Valley, To modern cities relying on complex water management systems, our dependence on water has only grown. Our relationship with water is profound and multifaceted, influencing every aspect of our daily lives. Throughout history, access to water has been a source of both cooperation and conflict. Communities have come together to share water resources, while others have fought over its scarcity. Societies have flourished where water is abundant, leading to prosperous agricultural practices and thriving communities. Conversely, others have struggled to survive in arid regions, developing innovative methods to conserve and utilize limited water supplies. The quest for water has shaped political boundaries, fueled wars, and driven technological and engineering innovations, such as ancient irrigation systems. Water also holds cultural and spiritual significance for many cultures worldwide. It is often central to traditional ceremonies and rituals. It's often seen as a symbol of purity, life, and renewal, representing the essence of existence. Religious ceremonies and rituals often incorporate water, from baptisms to purification rites, highlighting its profound importance in human belief systems and its role as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. Section 7. A future without blue. The prospect of a world without water is a chilling thought experiment, a stark reminder of the preciousness of this resource. Water is essential for all forms of life, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals. While the complete disappearance of water is highly unlikely, the idea forces us to confront the reality of our current situation. The scenario underscores the urgent need for water conservation and sustainable management practices. Every drop counts and every action matters. Climate change, pollution, and over-extraction are already putting immense pressure on global water resources. These issues are interconnected and require a comprehensive approach to address. Droughts are becoming more frequent and severe, affecting food production and livelihoods, while floods inundate coastal communities, causing displacement and destruction. The consequences of inaction are dire. We risk facing a future where water scarcity becomes the norm. It's our collective responsibility to protect and preserve this life-giving resource for present and future generations. We must act now to make a difference. By reducing our water footprint, we can contribute to a more sustainable future. Supporting sustainable water management policies is crucial for long-term success. Raising awareness about the importance of water can inspire others to take action. Together, we can help ensure a future where Earth continues to be a vibrant blue planet teeming with life. Let's work towards a world where water is respected and cherished.